Demystifying Pry Into, dive deep into its meaning. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have come across in books, movies, or conversations. The phrase is, pry into. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Pry into is a combination of the verb, pry, and the preposition, into. At its core, to pry means to inquire or investigate something closely, especially in a way that's nosy or intrusive. When paired with into, it emphasizes the action of delving deep or looking into something. Let's see the phrase in action. 1. She doesn't like it when people pry into her personal life. 2. I don't mean to pry into your affairs, but are you doing okay? 3. Reporters always try to pry into the secrets of celebrities. From these examples, you can notice that pry into often carries a negative or intrusive connotation. It's always helpful to know synonyms or alternative ways to express the same idea. Here are some words and phrases similar in meaning to pry into. Snoop around, dig into, probe into, investigate. However, be cautious. While these synonyms have similar meanings, the nuances might change depending on the context. So, there you have it. Next time you come across the phrase, pry into, or feel the need to use it, you'll do so with confidence. Remember, language is a journey, and every new phrase or word you learn makes your linguistic journey richer. Keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.